Going over the trades on the day, we have the 50K portfolio and the 200K portfolio results down about minus $400 on the 50K portfolio. We were up 3,600 yesterday, so 50K portfolio, and we were up about 5 figures yesterday on the 200K portfolio, down about 1.2K, so down about minus 1250 at the current market prices. And currently long a NASDAQ strategy. If that NASDAQ moves higher, hits its profit target, then be close to break even. So it could hold that position overnight. So kind of a sideways day considering all the volatility and up and down days we've had. Mainly down days. We were in that drawdown, pretty big drawdown. We had about a 10K bounce back yesterday, and then down about 1K right now. As the market is closing here at 315, and so those are the results on the 50K and 200K portfolio today. And I want to go over the trades. You see crude oil, there was a SR counter trend 3A stopped out, and then SR counter trend 4 hit its profit target. The result of that per contract is about minus 400. Crude oil dipped, took a steep dip, and then rallied back to around break even. So it was around 72.50, around this level yesterday when it closed, and ideal conditions to buy a pullback, but these pullbacks these days are rather steep. The stock indexes did the same thing. Let's go over the stock indexes. Actually, the trade on the day was surprisingly gold. Asia gold 4 short. We've struggled with gold. Gold has just been a tough market to either invest in or trade, in my opinion, based on the way I see the market. And today we were profitable on the short side. Asia gold 4 short, and Cobra Gold short also profited. So nice trades in those markets. That was the highlight of the day. Grains Day Trader 3 stopped out, minus 375 per contract. Copper no trades, silver no trades. This is based on the 200. We already went over gold. This is based on the 200K portfolio and 50K portfolio. We'll go over the all strategy axis in a minute. Natural gas, we had one of those stop out and then rally moves, and then back to this point. So just a choppy day in natural gas. Crude oil, mixed set of trades here. We had 2 strategies hitting their profit target, 2 strategies hitting their stop loss, and then gap fill in reverse right around break even. NQ, let's go over the trades on NQ today. We had 60-minute breakout, stopped out overnight, and got in again, and it's currently long. EVP1, nice trade on the day. Gap continuation, lost on the short side, no follow through to the downside. This has to be the slowest pullback I've ever seen in my life. Markets don't usually pull back this slowly. That's what's making it so choppy. Let's go over the ES trades. And 60-minute, this is another highlight on the day. It was 60-minute breakout short, hit its profit target right there. And so 60-minute breakout long, lost on the day. And those were the only trades. Not a lot of trades. And let's look at the daily bars and the rollover workspaces. This is what I'm talking about. It's just got the slowest pullback. It's trying to create, look at the symmetry in the ES since the pandemic. It's almost machine-like controlled. Talk about liquidity and Fed and all that. Just really nice trend line, very easy for the bulls. Continues to be, and it just the overlap, the daily bars are overlapping so much right now. You see the overlap on the daily bars. No separation, really tight range the last 4 days, and this has to be the slowest. Also up here too, a lot of these bars, you're right here, a lot of overlap. These 3 bars overlap, and then these 4 bars have a lot of overlap, no separation, and so it makes it difficult to see where the trend is and where the market's going. Typically when the markets pull back, there's a little bit more energy to the downside, but this has to be about the slowest. If we're going to pull back, if we're going to have a sharp pullback, this has to be the slowest crash. That would be an unusual scenario to see a very slow bull market for it to do this all the way down and take, I mean, the ES is only about 80 points from all-time highs. The NASDAQ is only about 200 points from all-time highs. So these markets are just within one big day up of hitting all-time highs again. So don't be surprised if the market rallies and hits all-time highs from here because there's been a lot of shorts, several days where gap opens were shorted, and then the market just rallies anyways. Let's look at the all strategy access. Here's my research platform. Not a lot of trades. Once again, adaptive moving average minus 1875. 60-minute breakout minus 1137.50. These are on a per contract basis. In the VPS that you just saw, the live trading setup, there might be multiple contracts per strategy to make those numbers look a little different in the output indicator at the bottom. VST long only minus 212.50. So only one trade in this workspace today. And then in this workspace, there's absolutely no trades today. Any trades you see are previous day's trades. In Q2, 60-minute breakout B took 2 trades minus 685 per contract. VSD long only plus 50, VSD long short plus 240. EVP1 probably the trade of the day, I guess, besides 60-minute breakout short on the stock indexes. It was up 635 on the day. Gap continuation, big stop loss minus 725. Minus 625 on Viper. Crude oil, we had several trades. Plus 475, plus 475, minus 825, minus 825, and then minus 5 on gap fill in reverse. Natural gas, just that sloppy day that we talked about already. Minus 825, RBOB, no trades. Gold, nice short trades, plus 975 and plus 575 per contract. Silver, no trades. Copper, no trades. Euro currency, minus 268.75. Soybeans, minus 375 on soybeans day trader 3. OPT, optional. Again, with that 60-minute breakout, short only. That's right here. Actually, it's in this one. Is it in the other one? So, it is this setup right here. So, nice trade on the day, plus 975. We don't typically trade the old and optional, but we have this one strategy that we are trading right now, the 200K. Exhaust and reverse, we're not trading that. Minus 250. You see the sharp nature of the sell-off, exhaust and reverse in silver. You get these moves in the metals that are just big and random, and it's hard to figure out the direction in the metals. A lot of congestion here, gap down, sharp sell-off. We've seen these sharp sell-offs before, and then it comes right back. So there is no real idea of the direction in the metals from my perspective. You saw this flash sell-off and rally, and then a sell-off here. Is it going to rally back, or is it going to sell off some more? Gold is a tricky market to trade. Fortunately, we were profitable today. Those are the trades on the day for Thursday, September the 16th, 2021. One trading day left in the week.